Chronic degenerative disease is absolutely rampant in the world today. I cannot say what the percentages are here in the Philippines, but we have never had in the history of man in the United States as much heart disease, as much arthritis, as much cancer, as much diabetes as we have today. These are epidemic proportions, and yet do we hear the news media saying we have an epidemic on our hands? No. Why? With the great affluence that is present in the world today, why do we have epidemics of chronic degenerative disease such as was never before known in the history of man? And you can take any of those. Arthritis, heart disease we know is the number one killer. Cancer is right behind it. Arthritis growing by leaps and bounds, and diabetes is just overwhelming. We have millions of diabetics every single year in the United States. Most of them have had it for several years but didn't know it. That was not true 70 years ago when I was born, and we'll talk about that in one of our sessions. Part of the problem, here you can see some of the statistics. Look at this, 25% of the hospital admissions in the U.S. are due to iatrogenic disease. Disease caused by doctors using medicines that are poisonous to the patient. Are we barking at the wrong tree?